friends. I hope you all are doing good today. The recipe that I'm going to prepare today is a Maharashtrian style sprouts gravy or a sprouts curry. The ingredients that we require are horse gram. Today I've taken horse gram sprouts, three large tomatoes, again thinly sliced, and the two medium sized onion, a little bit of curry leaves again for during the tadka that we will use that, coriander leaves again for garnishing, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. This is again a homemade chili powder, so it's not that spicy. You can adjust again according to your taste. If you require it little less, you can use that. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon of garam masala and a little bit of turmeric powder. And again, for the tadka, I'll be using the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds, and salt to taste. Let's go into the recipe. All right, so I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, and in that I'm going to put 1 spoonful of mustard seeds and 1 spoon of cumin seeds, and I'm going to put the curry leaves again. This is the tadka, though normally the Indian tadka, right? Once this the mustard seeds start popping, we'll add the onion. Try to add a bit of salt whenever you're trying to fry the onion, because again it will kind of speed the process again of the frying. At this stage, add a little bit of the turmeric powder. Mix it well. And once the onion turns a bit of light golden, we'll go ahead and add the tomatoes. Let's add the tomatoes. Alright guys, I am so sorry, I forgot to again mention that you need to add 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste as well. So at this stage I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. So I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. Now mix it well. Let it fry well again until and unless the tomatoes become completely soft. Let it fry nicely for at least 4 to 5 minutes. I have to mention that again, the horse gram sprouts again, they're very good for health. What you need to do is any kind of a gram, if you have a dry gram, you can rinse it overnight in water. The next day, you transfer it to a hot pack and let it remain in the hot pack at least for at least 12 to 14 hours. Little sprouts would come down, and later what you do is try to shift that in a refrigerator. Keep it there for at least 1 or 2 days. In 1 or 2 days itself, you will get nice large sprouts. So normally horse gram is very it creates a lot of heat when you eat that. So to balance that, if you normally try to take the sprouts for especially for the horse gram, it again reduces the heat from that. So again, it's very very good for your health. So just try this recipe at home. All right, so at this stage, the tomatoes have become a little soft. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and add the chili powder. Mix it well. Now the tomatoes and the chili, everything is fried very well. So what you're going to do is we'll add the sprouts. Mix it well. Leave it for at least 2 minutes to cook in this masala. Later we'll add around two cups of water. Two small glasses or small cups of water. Again, it depends on the kind of thickness that you need, because if you are trying to use it as a side for a chapati or a fulka, so you can make it a little thick. If at all you are using it for again rice, so you can make it a little bit thin by adding more water. So let it fry in the masala for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so at this stage, we'll go ahead and add see, I have taken this glass, this measurement of water. So I'm going to add 2 glasses of water. Now we'll leave this for at least 10 to 15 minutes to boil, and let it cook nicely, and let the gravy thicken a bit, and then we'll go ahead and add the coriander and the garam masala. So let it kind of cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so this has been boiling for almost around 10 to 12 minutes now. So at this stage, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and add the garam masala. And if you're a person who likes to eat again the dry prawns, so if you add a handful of dry prawns to this gravy, it would give a very good taste. So to have with rice especially, so you can try that as well. Or if you want to add any vegetables of your choice to this sprouts gravy, you can go ahead and add that. Drumstick, or again brinjal. These vegetables will go, or capsicum again. So these vegetables will go very well with this gravy. So at this stage, I'll add a bit of salt again, because we added a little bit salt in the beginning. So I'll add a bit of salt. And we'll garnish this with coriander. Please do try this recipe at home, because again, this is very good for health, and it tastes really well. So please go ahead and try this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe and press the bell icon, and please do like the recipe. Thank you so much again for watching.